In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder Miro frames. If you've ever wanted your presentation to flow in a specific sequence or your export to follow a clear storyline, organizing your frames is the key. Frames in Miro act like slides or pages, and the order you set in the Frames panel determines how viewers will navigate your content. First, log into your Miro account and open the board you want to work on. Make sure you have edit access to that board. It can help to quickly glance over your frames on the canvas to confirm you know which ones you want to move. If your frames have clear names, that will make the next part easier, but it's not required. Now, open the Frames panel. If you don't see it yet, look for the Frames icon on the left toolbar. Clicking it opens a side panel with a scrollable list of thumbnails representing each frame on your board. This panel is what you'll use to rearrange everything. If your board has a lot of frames, you can expand the panel or simply scroll to find the one you want. Next, find the thumbnail of the frame you want to move. Click and hold the thumbnail to pick it up. As you hold, you'll notice a visual indicator showing that the frame is ready to be dragged. This ensures you're moving the frame in the list, not just panning the board. If nothing moves, try clicking directly on the thumbnail preview rather than the name. While still holding the mouse button, drag the thumbnail to the new position in the list. As you move, you'll see a highlight line or a visual cue showing where the frame will land. If you have many frames, you can scroll the panel while dragging to reach distant positions. On a trackpad, two-finger scrolling works. With the mouse, use the scroll wheel. When the highlight is in the right spot, release the mouse button to drop the frame into its new place. Repeat this for any other frames you want to reorder. From now on, Miro will use this order for navigation. When you start presentation mode, the arrows will move through frames using the sequence you just set. The same order applies when you export the board as a PDF or a series of images, helping you maintain a clean narrative for stakeholders or team members. If you're collaborating live, everyone will see the updated sequence immediately, and if you need to fine-tune, simply drag and drop again until it feels right. That's all there is to it: quick, visual, and completely controllable.